Hey, okay, we're going to show you some of Gwen's little poodle puppies. And we want to see how they react when I pick them up. Everybody's had baths. Here, I've stuck them in this little basket. This is Deborah. So Deborah already has a home. And then we weigh them. I put them on the scale, which I've already weighed her. She weighs 1 pound 4 ounces right now. And I have already brushed her. But see, I like this style. You can do both, and you can see she's getting some good curl. Okay, now we've got Abigail. Abigail did not squawk when I picked her up this time, but Abigail is a little talker. And then I've weighed Abigail. She weighs 1 pound 7.2 ounces. I already did Deborah's toenails. So this is a weekly thing. Okay, you can see there's a little bit of white. And I'm doing Abigail's toenails. This, besides doing like the early neurological stimulation exercises, doing their toenails just keeps them used to this. Abigail is not getting her toenails trimmed too close, as she's a talker. Abigail has a lot of great curl. This little girl's full of personality. Okay? She's adorable. She's actually the chubbiest one in her family. She says, okay, so I like my mommy time. Okay, here's David. David's, well, actually, Deborah's a little darker than David. But he's still a pretty nice dark. I'd call him a dark apricot. You know, maybe not full-fledged red. Okay, so David weighed 1 pound 5.4 ounces. And you can see he's a little bit quieter than Abigail.
Right back.
Yeah, he's a sweet little boy. Okay, so as far as size, it's Abigail, and then David. He's second. He's got some nice curl on him, and then use this side to just do right in front of their little faces. I'm going to be doing some still shots. So there's baby David. Okay, then we have little Abraham. Abraham is 1 pound 2.5. He's the smallest. And then Deborah is 1 pound 4. 1 pound 4 ounces. So David is all white. He has got, like, this is getting darker. Every week you see it's getting a little darker. You could call it a tan. You could call it a, you know, apricot, white and apricot. And he's getting where it's showing more his little coloring right here. And okay. So they've had their dew claws removed and their tails docked, of course. That happens day 2 or 3 when they are still very little. These guys aren't going to be real big. You can look at all sorts of weight charts. He has got some fabulous curl going on too. Mommy is Gwen. Daddy is Herbie. We've never showed Gwen. She's a, oh, you sweetheart. Yeah, you are. And Herbie has his champion tattoo. Okay, those are Gwen's puppies.